I feel responsible for the well-being of Mother Earth. Without nurturing her and saving her, there is no reason to address issues like global warming, ocean pollution, and climate change.
In doing this program also, we reducing the carbon footprint and also in line with the SDG.
This event can help in terms of ecotourism, sustainability, and protect the environment.
By doing the mangrove tree planting, we can create the awareness, we can conserve the area, and also we need to make sure the area is protected, not being touched for any developments.
I think this basically wants to show the support that we have for the community.
Today's impactful journey has been made possible through the collective efforts of our partners, Tourism Selangor, KDEB Waste Management, Kuala Selangor Municipal Council, MNS and also MyCSR. Let's continue this journey, united in our commitment to a greener, brighter future. Be greater together.